Greetings and a warm welcome to all the esteemed tech enthusiasts and viewers who have graced us with their presence today. It is truly a delight to have each and every one of you back on our tech-focused channel, where we are committed to enhancing your digital journey by bidding farewell to the constraints of slow internet speeds. Today, we herald the arrival of lightning-fast connectivity with the exceptional FNF Tunnel BVPN UDP settings. Prepare yourselves for an exhilarating journey towards optimized internet speeds with the following detailed steps. Step 1. Begin this transformative experience by immersing yourselves in the boundless realm of the Google Play Store. Your adventure commences with a diligent search for the groundbreaking FNF Tunnel BVPN in the search bar, initiating the gateway to enhanced browsing speeds. Step 2. Proceed with anticipation as you install the app, unlock its interface, and gracefully navigate to the settings section. Engage with the menu option, setting the stage for an optimized and efficient browsing endeavor. Step 3. Your journey continues with confidence as you select the crucial Update option, ensuring that you are up to date with the latest features for a truly enriching and optimized browsing experience. Step 4. Optimize your connectivity journey by embarking on a selection of the strategic Auto Select Server option, meticulously chosen for unparalleled performance, promising a browsing experience that seamlessly combines efficiency and connectivity. Step 5. Elevate your interactive experience by opting for the sophisticated UDP mode server option, a choice that guarantees a refined browsing encounter with enhanced connectivity and efficiency. Step 6. With seamless progression, conclude this enlightening process by initiating secure browsing and igniting a super-speed connection with a definitive tap on the Start button. Propel yourself into a realm of expedited and secure online interactions, marking the culmination of this transformative journey towards optimized internet connectivity. Your active engagement and support are truly invaluable. Kindly express your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel for continued insights, and sharing your feedback in the comments section. We also invite you to explore our engaging Telegram and WhatsApp channels through the convenient links provided in the description. Thank you for being a part of this transformative quest towards enhanced internet connectivity with FNF Tunnel BVPN. Let's elevate your digital journey together.